Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password in Zoom Workplace. To change your password on Zoom, launch open the Zoom application on your device and log into your account first. Once you're logged in, tap the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. Inside the More menu, tap on your name. Now, click on Update Password on the next page. Now go ahead and enter your old password in the first tab. On the next field, type in the new password you are trying to change to. Re-enter the new password once again in the last field. And finally click on Save at the top right corner. For your security, you can sign out of all other devices where you might be signed in with Zoom by tapping on OK. And that's how you easily change your password on Zoom. You will also be signed out of your account, where you'll need to go ahead and tap on Sign In to get access back to your account and choose your sign-in methods. Next time you log in with your email and password, write down the new password that you just updated too. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If it was, give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next one.